Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Fleming. I just wanted to say hello. I know I haven't met you guys in class yet, but I wanted to just kind of give you a nice greeting and see how you guys are doing. I wanted to let you know a little bit about your next assignment and how it kind of works and go into a little bit more into the details about it and what I'm kind of wanting from you for this assignment. This is going to be more of a fun kind of scavenger hunt assignment, so I wanted you to just have a little bit more information in that as well. So let's go into the assignment here real quick. What I'm going to have you do is what I usually do in class with you guys would be we'd start by talking a little bit about the history of computers near the first part of the quarter. So because I'm not able to be with you in person right now, I'm going to have you just watch some videos about the history of computers instead. I will provide, and you can see this is the assignment from my view, so I haven't quite posted this yet, but I wanted to show you what it's going to look like. I did post 2 episodes of Crash Course Computer Science, which is about the history of computers from YouTube. Now, I know that some people are having problems with YouTube. Some of my other students are having problems with it. So if you are also having a problem with YouTube, I'm also putting a link to right here to the Crash Course website. Just look for episodes 1 and 2, which are going to be in the bottom of the page, and then look for the episode number in the right-hand corner. I'm going to show you that real quick. So here's Crash Course's webpage. And then I'll have you do 1 and 2, and you can see it's episode 1 and 2 there in the corner. The last couple of videos are just another timeline type video. If you want to watch any other videos about the history of computers, feel free. These are just the ones I like, but there's many out there on the internet, so feel free to look at any other ones that you feel are good for you. The next thing I want you to do after you're done with the videos is I want you to complete the web quest, which I have attached down here. It's kind of like, think about an internet scavenger hunt is the other way to say web quest. So you'll open this in Google Slides, and basically all I want you to do is to fill in the slides that are blank or don't have any information in them. So, and it kind of shows you here as well on slide number 2, it says complete slides 4 through 14. Find your own answers from researching for the internet. Don't worry about saving your file as last name, first name, because it will automatically put that in there for you. There's some helpful websites already to put in there for you. So if you can't think of a website, you can use these, but there's also, Google, and I know you guys know how to use that. So this is an example of the slide that you have to complete. This is starting slide number 4. It's asking, how was the first home computer different from the home computers that are in our homes now? And then you basically type your answer in the box here. I want you to try as hard as you can to fill up the box as much as possible. If you can't fill up the box entirely, that's okay, but I want you to try to use your words and fill up the boxes as much as possible. So that's an example of what you're going to be encountering. I'll show you another one right here. This is slide number 5. So what do these acronyms stand for? Explain what they are. So I know that this one, Fortran, actually gets explained in the timeline video. So I would go to the timeline video and look up what is Fortran. What does that mean? And make sure when you're looking at these acronyms, you're doing them for computers. I know a couple of these are for other systems too, but we're looking mainly for computer acronyms. This one here, you can drag and drop or draw arrows in between which computer pioneer discovered what. And then you can either drag these next to the definitions, or you can put arrows to which ones they go with. Listing major contributions, you can put bulleted lists in here. And then this one has its own website. It wants you to read, this is called an abacus, and you'll learn about that in the Crash Course videos, what is an abacus. And then you're going to go to this website and use that there. And there's a couple other ones in here. This is a drag and drop one again. Here's another definition one. Successes and failures, I would put a bulleted list. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know, but it's fairly simple, and go ahead. If there is a website attached with a slide, make sure you're using that website. For example, this one has a website attached with it. Use the website for that slide. If it doesn't, then you are free to use Google and any other device. Let me know if you have any questions, but I just wanted to give you a quick explanation. So thank you so much for listening to me, and I look forward to hearing from you and getting your assignments. Thanks, guys.